Hongmen Group's new masterpiece. Leading the future of entrance technology innovation. The industry's first unibody case and high-performance servo screw reducer. Integrated all-in-one. Innovative design. Oil-free anti-freeze. Built to last. Can be used frequently in high-temperature environments. Fast response without heating, regardless if it's bitter cold or torrid heat or weathered rain and snow. Precise control and long-lasting stable operation. The servo mechanism is small in size, high in energy, high in efficiency. 24-volt servo control technology. Precise control. Screw reducer can change direction as needed. Quickly replace different barrier poles. Largely improved traffic efficiency. And provide more efficient and smarter traffic experiences. Hongmen mechanism advanced far ahead. D3 servo barriers newly launched.